couple big ones right here.
That's pretty nice. That looks like the one I seen over on the road the other day.
This one's bigger though.
I see two of them there. Yeah, that one on top there is huge. One on bottom ain't bad. Couldn't see through that deal, but one that went to the left,
Mm-hmm.
that's big on 12 point there. What was the other one over here? He's not as big, is he?
Mm-hmm.
He's nice though.